Hey students, let's go for a ride to understand Swing Technology Unit 6. Let's move to the first topic, seams classification. Plain seams. Plain seams are again of three types: straight seam, curved seam, cornered seam. Self-enclosed seam. Self-enclosed seams are those in which all seams allowances are contained within the finished seam. Following types: the French seam, the mock French seam, flat filled seam, self bound seam. Top stitching seams. Seams are top stitched from the right side with seams allowances caught into the stitching. Following types: double top stitch seam, welt seam, tucked seam, slot seam, fagoted seam. Let's move forward to the second topic, seams uses. Straight seam allowances can be pressed to one side and finished together in light-weighted fabrics, or they are pressed open and finished separately. Curved seams use a shorter stitch length and a slow speed to get well-shaped curve and to ensure extra strength. Cornered seam is reinforced by using a shorter stitch length on either side of the corner. Accurate pivoting is important to get an accurate corner. Let's move forward to the next topic, properties of seams. Trimmer corner. Corners of enclosed seams must also be trimmed to reduce the bulk. Trimming means cutting away some of the seam's allowances. This is done to reduce bulk in order to get a better fit. Clipping and notches. In seam, allowances with inward curve and corners. Notches help to remove bulk of fabric. Grading is a variation of trimming. It is done where bulky seams cannot be pressed open. This helps the seam to lie flat without causing a bulky ridge. Let's move forward to the next topic, seams, finishes and aids. Seam finish is given to the seam edge to prevent the fabric from fraying and to provide a neat look. The type of seam finish chosen depends on the type of fabric, it weights, it weaves, etc. Types of seams finish: pinky seams finish, overcasting seams finish, Hong Kong seams finish, overlocking seams finish, and bias bound seams finish. Let's move forward to the next topic, presser foots. The presser foot is of rectangular in shape. Presser foot is attached to the presser bar and it holds the cloth firmly in position when lowered. Let's move forward to the next topic, folders. Folders. This kind of attachments are used for joining, binding together two or more fabric layers or folding the fabric edges for finishing. This attachment is used either with compensating foot and or special feed dog etc. to do the special operation. It is widely used in 2 or 3 needle machine. Let's move forward to the next topic, guides. Guides and gauges. Guides and gauges attachments help to direct, guide the fabric or tape towards the needle for stitching with the set measurement. These attachments are either fixed on the bed part or pressure foot bar of the machine. Thanks for listening. Hope you enjoy the ride.